Upgrade or get your CHC50121 Diploma of Early Childhood Education and Care through GC Institute. Quick facts. The total cost is a co-contribution fee of $30 or $15 if you are a concessional student. Further discounts may apply for any credit transfers. The remaining amount is funded by the Queensland Government under the Higher Level Skills Program. If you are eligible, you only pay a co-contribution fee. There is no loan, no debt, or any other repayments. You may fast-track your study if you have practical experience in the childcare industry through recognition of prior learning (RPL). How awesome is that? Study online and receive extensive support and guidance from our expert trainers. Get in touch with us now for more information. Fill out the Inquire Now form and we will call you.